The VVX 300 and 310 are powerful entry-level business media phones for today's cubicle workers that handle a low to moderate volume of daily calls. The phone comes with a standard keypad, home, speaker, mute, volume, and headset buttons. The 310 model also includes a gigabit Ethernet port for high performance, single wire to the desktop functionality. Legendary Polycom HD voice technology provides up to 7 kHz audio on all speech paths for crystal clear clarity. Let's take a closer look at some of the functions of the VVX 300. Pressing the home button lights up the screen with a menu of options. The Directories menu gives you access to your contacts and recent call lists. Use navigational arrows to move around the screen. The back button will return you to the previous screen. Quick access to your messages is available by pressing the envelope button. To make a call, choose New Call on the home screen, enter the number using the keypad, then press the dial button. Another way to make a call is from the home menu. To do so, select the call log list, scroll up and down, select the number, and touch dial. You can add other people to the call by dialing and conferencing in all parties. VVX 300 series supports standard-based SIP protocol, up to 6 lines. These can be a mixture of audio lines and feature keys. The recent call list is a handy feature that lets you quickly call people you recently talked to. The Favorites functionality allows you to have quick access to your most frequently called contacts. To view favorites, from the main menu, scroll to Directories and select Favorites. Forwarding calls is also a convenient and easy-to-use feature on the VVX. To forward your device from the home screen, select Call Forwarding and select the number, or select it from your favorites. You can also disable forwarding using the following steps. Do Not Disturb automatically sends calls to voicemail during those times you want to focus on other tasks. The Polycom VVX can be configured with a number of handy applications using the Polycom Productivity Pack and the internal web browser for such things as weather, world clock, news headlines, and so on. The VVX technology makes it easy for your company to add your own applications to this interface, such as your own internal company news. The capabilities of HTML5 provide you with updates such as international news, company updates, and even weather. The phone display displays meeting reminders and gives you access to the calendar invite. Selecting an invite will display the details of the meeting and allow you to easily join the call. Then, pressing the soft key below the number, I can directly join this call from the VVX 300. Example of call being made from calendar. The Settings menu offers options for changing configuration details, such as screen brightness, background images, and ringtones. Let's review the steps of making a call and putting the call on hold, resume, Transfer.